Hi everyone, I'm Faisal. I struggled with hair loss for 34 years and I tried many treatments without success. Finally, I realized that a hair transplant was my best option. After researching clinics, I chose Avante based on the positive reviews and hair transplant result. It's been 6 months since my hair transplant at Avante Aesthetic. I am thrilled with the result as you can see in the video. I regularly took PRP for the best result. Every month I stay in touch with the doctors for follow-ups. My surgeon Dr. Uttam is highly experienced doctor and his entire team provide affectionate care. For anyone considering a hair transplant, I highly recommend Avante Aesthetic for their expertise and patient-focused approach. And they provide excellent care. Best wishes, Avante Aesthetic and hair transplant.